Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents. We're here on Eastfield Road. This property is just off Eastfield Road. This is an end three-storey terraced house built in 1836, extended to the rear on an elevated plot with a retainer wall there, giving an elevated position to the front and back gardens. We're now going to go in and have a look around. The property's coming on the market for £375,000, and the rear parking is accessed by this track, and the owners have recently installed this stone bonded driveway which you can get one car on. If you wanted to further extend the parking, there are space to do that. We're going to go around and have a look at the garden. This is a south facing part of the garden, split into lawn and gravel, with a gravel track leading to a staircase up onto the first floor. Very cute little brick staircase. You can see here all these railings reinstated in the correct and original way. As we make our way around to the side of the property, we've got a barked area with this planted bushes to provide some screening to this newly laid block paving. Patio area here. We've got some wood screening there. It's been put onto a new cream slab patio area that's provided this superb area for outside entertaining. It's high off the road, so it's not really visible at all. Some screen seating there. This large, what is it, bar area, can be used for anything, no? Like a home office or anything like that. So we've got a bar down that end. Panelled wall with some recessed lighting, an area for seating and a laminate floor. It's a beautiful area. I'll just give you a panoramic view of that. New wall here, with area for a dog pen. Put in the brochure there. This is a very useful area to keep your dogs in. Steps down to the back of the property, and the owners have installed just a little wood porch here over this rear entrance. So we're going to start on the very ground floor, and this area here, whilst there's no fitted units, is used as a utility area. There's a ground floor shower room, which you can see very nicely done, with a glass box as a shower, all tiled into a ground floor toilet. The kitchen is on the ground floor as well in here. It's a beautiful kitchen with a huge island unit, range cooker recessed into an old fireplace. We've got space for a range cooker. Built-in storage to the walls as well. There's a dishwasher, quartz worktop and a Belfast style sink. All the windows have been installed with shutters to block out the light. Wood shutters in its original fashion. Is a black high gloss tiled floor, and this is a dining room. This fireplace was also uncovered by the owners, and I put in a lovely little log burner to create a lovely area for Christmas dinners, such lights, with a black brick fireplace. We go back out another door into a hallway. This hallway then takes us onto the first floor. Carpet run up the stairs into, which is another stunning entrance. Now they've wood panelled all the walls to create an original feel. This picture rail, original coving, and there's some sort of imitation mint and tile floor, which just shows you the purpose of the owners trying to reinstate this property's integrity, and they've done so in great fashion. Beautiful cast iron radiator there to the side to give even more authentication to what they're trying to do. So we're into a sitting room. We've got two lovely windows giving a dual aspect to the room. Both sash with wood shutters. We've got original coving, big cast iron fireplace, ceiling rose and pendant. We've got varnished stripped wood floors. That's one sitting room. So a reminder, this property is coming on the market for £375. It's on Park Road, just off Eastfield Road. And we go into another dining room with another sash window to the side with wood shutters. Another absolutely beautiful cast iron fireplace there with the mint and tile style floor around it, the hearth, and then some more varnished floor. The owners have really put a lot into this, not only money time and effort to bring this property back to its former glory. And on the same level, we've got another area. This room's been divided, but only by a stud wall, just to create an area for further seating, like a reading room. There is a TV in here, so it's a bit of a TV room or a reading room. 2 UPVC windows in here. This has been turned into an office, so it could be a work from home area. Let's give you the full panoramic. Wood paneling to the bottom. There's some exposed beams which have been painted to lighten and change the room round slightly. As we come back through here, there's some beautiful Cardine flooring. There's a glass panel there to keep the light flowing through the property. And we've got the staircase to the first floor. We've got another carpet runner with the carpet bars here, all gold, onto a split level landing. We'll take you round onto the top part to the front bedroom. This is the master bedroom, cast iron fireplace with original surround and storage cupboard to the side. This is the master bedroom. And then back onto the landing and with a second bedroom. Sash window to the side, just simple grey decor and laminate flooring. Just go fully into the room to show you. It's a radiator with a cover. It's just a boys' room. It's a very, very good size double, even though it's only got a single in it. And we'll go back down to the split levels landing, and here we have a third double bedroom. Now if you look at what we've got, we have got space on the lower levels for more bedrooms, but that's not the way it's been chosen to live in. But there are potentially 2 more bedrooms on that lower level to make it into a 5-bedroom house. We can advertise it as a 3, but it could be 5. The property has got a slight flying freehold. There's the storage cupboard in there that kind of goes over next door. Doesn't create any problems, but it's a very useful bit of storage. Could be another shower room. The owners told me they considered it. And we go into the bathroom, and this bathroom is a work of art. It's got a clawfoot bath. It's got a beautiful cast iron radiator with gold towel rails. It's actually even got a fireplace down at the bottom, sort of tiled on the floor. Some wood paneling put down at the bottom, and from a day previous is an old window that used to go presumably to the outside, but it's now attached to another property. Toilet's got a high floating system, all gold fixtures and fittings to that, and you can see the sink's been done to match as well. It's a beautiful, beautiful bathroom, and it just adds to the glory of the house, which I think is one of the best period properties I've seen on the market. I'm going to go back out the front door. I was hoping to keep this video under 6 minutes, but it's just got so much to it that it's absolutely impossible. So I ended up drifting on. I hope you're still watching. I'm going down the brick staircase now from the first floor entrance. There's a beautiful little seating area here, along with a log store, and we go back to the position we started on. So just a reminder about this property. It's on the market for $375 with Crofts estate agents. It's 3 bedrooms, it's 4 reception rooms, it's kitchen breakfast, it's ground floor shower room and toilet, it's 2nd floor period bathroom. It's absolutely beautiful. There will not be any other property done to the same standard on the market currently. And look at the way that property sits on the road. It's a magnificent day. It's a magnificent property. If you're interested in it, give us a call at Crofts Estate Agents on 01507 601 550. Thank you.